A major step forward for parents looking to protect the youngest of children. Pfizer tonight saying its vaccine for children 5 and under is 80% effective against symptomatic Omicron. The FDA will review now both Pfizer's application and Moderna's application for the youngest children June 15th. There are some 18 million children younger than 5 not yet eligible for vaccination against the coronavirus. Both Pfizer and Moderna doses much smaller than the ones, of course, used on adults. Pfizer's is a 3-shot regimen. It all comes as cases rise nationwide. 105,000 new cases reported every day now. That's 4 times higher than what we were seeing just last month. And when it comes to children, more than 107,000 testing positive in just the last week. Philadelphia, in fact, reinstating the mask mandate in the city's public schools. And with the FDA set to examine these child vaccines mid-June, how soon will parents have access to them? ABC's Stephanie Ramos leading us off this Monday night.
Give mommy a hug, a kiss.
Tonight, Pfizer releasing the data some parents of young children have been waiting for.
Good girl.
The company reporting its 3-shot vaccine is 80% effective against symptomatic Omicron in children under 5.
That'll be up to the FDA in June to determine if this antibody response is sufficient enough to protect against severe illness and hospitalization.
The Pfizer vaccine for the youngest children is 1/10 of the dose for those 12 and older and will be given in 3 doses after data showed 2 were not effective.
When the first vaccines were designed, that was pre-Omicron. We're in a completely different era now where 3 doses are likely what's necessary to give an adequate immune response.
Moderna is already asking for authorization for its 2-shot vaccine for kids under 6. But after data showed efficacy was 51% or less, the company is now testing a 3rd shot. An FDA review of the pediatric Pfizer and Moderna vaccines now scheduled for June 15th. For many parents, a vaccine can't come soon enough.
1, 2, 3.
Megan Dunphy-Daly enrolled 2 of her kids in the Pfizer trial.
To see the rest of the world move on has been a really big challenge for many of us. So we are eagerly awaiting good news.
It comes as more than 107,000 children tested positive for COVID last week, the highest since February. Today, Philadelphia bringing back its mask mandate in public schools.
As the cases were rising, I figured the school probably will do something.
Several cities, including New York City, Milwaukee, and Boston, seeing an uptick for weeks, now recommending but not mandating masks indoors.
So let's get back to those vaccines, Steph. The FDA meeting now on the vaccines for the youngest children in the U.S. In the coming weeks here. So how soon before parents could get their children 5 and under now vaccinated?
Very soon, David. That FDA meeting is expected on June 15th. If the FDA authorizes both Pfizer's and Moderna's pediatric vaccines, then it's off to the CDC for their review. So a vaccine for kids under the age of 5 could be given the all clear by late June or early July if everything goes as planned. David.
All right, Stephanie Ramos leading us off here. Stephanie, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.